Hello guys, welcome back to another video of A Falcon Gaming. So let's start. So today I'm unboxing Realme AirBuds Neo. So let's start from the box. So it comes the box. So here's the box. You just turn the box. So it is from this like AirPod, or should say it is Realme Buds Air Neo. But I will use the word AirPod to just tag this name. Okay, so here we start. So here are some instructions, I should say, written here. Just zoom. Okay, just zoom. Okay, so here it is written. Super low latency, powerful R1 chip. Okay, dynamic bass boost, 13 mm, large driver. Okay, looks pretty good. Open up auto connection, Google fast pair. Oh, like it opens and connects on its own. It's like that. It's trying to say that. And it is written Bluetooth 5.0 advanced auto coding. I don't know what that means. Smart touch control, intelligent voice assistant. Okay, like we touch the earphone and it plays something from your list, whatever you can pick calls and whatever. There's this mode in Apple AirPods also, not Realme AirBuds Neo, but it also has this feature. Sorry, sorry, I have a sore throat. Sorry. So it has this. What I'm saying, like it is like a first copy of Apple AirPods, and it is from Realme. It is like very similar from Apple AirPods, but this is from Realme and its name is Realme AirBuds Neo. Okay, so let's start. I'll just open my knife and just unbox it. And this is my knife. So it's nice. So let's start. Let's cut the box. Just close my knife. Okay. Just close my knife, and I'll just open. Just open my box. Actually, it is very tight now. So I just open it. Okay. So here we keep this aside. So here is the box. So here it comes with a guide, something like a start guide or something. So let's start. I'll just read it for you. I'll just focus it. Okay, this is Start Guide to Realme Buds Air Neo. Okay, so let's start. It comes with a pair of earphones, right and left, charging box, USB charging cable, and a product introduction guide. So we just keep the buds aside. Okay, here are the buds. I'll just keep it aside. Tell the features afterwards. Okay, I will just keep it. So I'll just take out the cable and whatever. So here I take off the whatever you say. So here are some tips, and here it was written a cable, a USB charging cable. It is a very small cable, type C1. As you can see, type C1. I'll just show you the type C1. It's a small cable. It comes with it as written in the manual, and here are some tips and whatever. You can just, I will just read it afterwards. First I will read the manual. Okay, so let's first read the manual. It comes with this. Okay, so whatever. So I'll just now show you the tips. Touch control area, display, battery, pair, and factory reset, whatever. I will just show you. We don't know this manual because we are pros, so I'll just tell you. Here is the main product. It comes with this frame or whatever. Just take this off. Here is the outcome, as you can see. So it's like a first copy of Apple AirPods from Realme company. Nice copy, nice try to make a copy. Like from far away you can't tell it is Apple AirPods or Realme AirBuds Neo. It's like almost same. I don't know the sound quality. I'll just see. Okay, so if you see from here, you can identify. If you see from here, you can identify it is not a AirPod, because AirPods have Apple officially this has type C. Otherwise, it is all Apple AirPods structure, the size and whatever. You can see the size as my hand. You can see. So I will just open it. Here we got this. Here we get this. So you can see this is the outcome. This is the outcome. And this is whatever you can see. So I will just tell you how to connect and whatever. This is the back. Okay, so it comes with the type C1 cable, as you can see, and only one time you have to pair from your phone. Another time, if you like, one time you pair from your phone, and next time you don't have to pair, like open Bluetooth. Just switch on your Bluetooth, and when you will open the case, it will automatically connect to your device. Only switch on the Bluetooth. Only one time you have to pair. Only one time. And afterwards, if you open your case and Bluetooth is on, it will automatically connect. Okay, I like this thing a lot because I don't like those earphones that we have to wait for an hour to connect. If you open the box, it will connect automatically. Only you have to pair in the starting, only to identify the device. So to identify the device, I'll just focus. Here is this button. You have to press this. Press this until the green light starts blinking. And when the green light starts blinking, in the Bluetooth section, it will come the name of Realme AirBuds Neo. So you will connect the Realme AirBuds Neo, and afterwards, if you switch off Bluetooth and switch on again, you just have to open the case and it will connect it automatically. Sorry. So I just take out the earphones. This is how an earphone looks. Okay. This is how an earphone looks. I think so. I should say first copy of AirPods from Apple company. This is from Realme. It's value for money. I'll just put the link down in the description. Like you can't identify from far away, is this AirPods or Realme? If you have to just style and to show that friends that I have this AirPods, buy this. It's very cheap and it has a good quality. It has a very good bass and treble, whatever, and it supports Dolby Audio and like you can hear 80 songs in it. I have heard, and it is a very good quality. It's very cheap, and you have to buy it if you just have to style that I have AirPods. It's very like cheap and very good quality. I must say, Realme, the company Realme has done a good effort making like a first copy of Apple AirPods. So guys, I'll just put the link in the description. You can buy. From the price, it's very good. So here we go. So this is like how it looks. So this is how it looks. I'll just recap. Type. It comes with the Type C1 cable, small Type C1 cable. Okay, now I will just show you. This manual book you can see. And this is the box and whatever. So this is how it comes. So let's just stop this video because I've done the whole thing. And okay guys, bye bye guys.